Hello guys, have a look at this. They arrived. Like I said in my previous video on the handlebar conversions of the Hayabusa handlebar set I ordered, but no unboxing. Who wants to look at someone trying to hold a camera and the knife at the same time? So I've already opened the box and it came with us. Some nice stickers. Yeah. 2 stickers, beautiful. But the quality is amazing, really beautiful. I'm really impressed with them. Now this is the left-hand side, and you can tell by the left-hand side because they've got a little, you can't see it, but I can see it, little L stamped into the clamp. So the right-hand side is already on the bike over there as a test fit, and I've bolted up the Nissan 19 radial on it in the normal position, and everything likes to fall down, and it's the pain doing handlebars, I tell you. But we turn the bars to the left, so that's hitting the stopper there. So the stopper is hitting, and you can see that the brake lever is clearing the dash and the inner panel of the Gen 1 nicely, and it's fitting nicely into the cutout there. It's just about perfect there, isn't it? So, and it's clearing the screen, because the aim of it, all of this, is to have radial brakes, which is today's standards, without any cutting or any crap like that. So that's going to work. And then I've got to bring it around to the other part here. And I can get to the full lock. It's hitting the stopper there, and you can see that I've got clearance down behind the between the forks and the frame and the inner panel. So it looks like we've got clearance on the inner panel, we've got clearance on the front, we've got clearance on the top inner panel and the dash. So it's really looking good. And the other advantage, besides all this clearance issue, is that it will bring the bars back, and it will give me, I can run a more of a wider stance, more of the straight out rather than the narrow tucked in setup that they have traditionally from the Suzuki. Because I thought about having those handlebar conversions where you put on as conventional handlebars. I didn't want to have clearance problems with the fairing or the screen, and I'm not really sure if I wanted to go that far back. I know I'd be a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more upright, but I'm really after a high performance or speed track type of riding position where I've got to get into a good tuck position down the straightaways and yet still have good leverage on the bars and good control coming into the corners. So I'll show you some of the features that the bars have. Now I've already spoken about the zero offset, not in front but coming out of the side of the clip-on. We have the riser, which come in different heights. This is the maximum height one that they have. And then you have this adjustability in this eccentric cam system that they have with the inner sleeve. What do I mean by inner sleeve? There's a sleeve there. And you can see the engraved marks there, and it rotates around like an off-center. When you drill a bad hole, we have an off-center hole, not square, but this gives you the adjustability of down, back, up, like that, because the actual bar itself is straight. It's a straight bar, not like those Healy bars, are they? The ones where they have the bar and it's the offset section on the bar. This is using a washer system in there. And how the risers are held in place are by the 3 screws. And there. And then you have this beautiful setup, which they have the recess and the raise section in their machining where they interlock together, and 3 fasteners holding it all together. Fail-safe system. And then your normal 2-piece clamps for a clip-on, so you can remove them off the bike without taking off the top triple clamp. So there you go there. It gives you an idea as they come apart, they're like that. Now unfortunately I've had a tragedy in my family. I'm from Sydney, New South Wales, and I live in Perth, Western Australia, so I've got to fly across tomorrow to the other side of the country for a week, and then I've been flying backwards and forwards for the last 3 years doing this problem. So I've just got to leave it for a week, and then I'll get back stuck into it and get these new Woodcraft clip-ons onto the silver bike over there. But it's looking positive, and you know, our parents get old, and unfortunately this is a fact of life, isn't it? So I thank very much my subscribers. My name's Kevin, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks guys, see ya.